This is the RunCam2 side mount. What's up guys, this is TommReaper, and today I'm gonna reveal Brain Exploders' newest creation. This is the RunCam2 side mount. As you can see, there's 4 holes in the other side and also in the side I have put it on. This gives you 8 opportunities to do a setup, and this is just 2 examples out of 8 you can do with the mount, and also it will be 16th combination because you can also turn this over. Anyway, what have I done with these mounts? The only cons I have is the matrix, because he is using a different kind of matrix that normally is bigger, but when I tried to find some matrix which is bigger, the screws was too fat to go through the holes. So this was the best option I could possibly have, where I had some glue to hold the matrix on and hold it steady. It has a nice grip, so no problem with that. And you can see some Brain Exploder logo. If I can try to focus a bit more. This is the best I can do. But anyway, this is how it looks like. And I do love the creation, and I have been a big fan of his work for a long time. This is the first buy of his merch, and right now I love it. Since it was a RunCam mount, so I also had to buy 2 RunCams. So I did that, one pointing backwards, which is the selfie cam, and one pointing in the front, which is the gun cam. What have I customized with these 2? Nothing really much, except the gun cam has a zoom lens. It is the 25mm zoom lens, and if you want to see how to custom change your lens, I can put a link below. But yeah, this is it. It's not a super fancy unboxing as I tried to promise, because it was too long and I'm not that good at English, so I will not do a detailed work. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is TommReaper, and see you next time.
Gotta get up again. I gotta get up to another day.